welcome to ABC Kid Show.
Hi kids, welcome back. Let's learn the big ABC from A to Z. Let's start with colors. Blue color, red color, green color, purple color, orange color, and yellow color. Let's start. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for girl. H. H for hat. I. For igloo. J. J for juice. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. O for owl. P. P for play. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. Sun. T. T for toy. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. For xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Please like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Keep learning.